Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to share with you guys my experience of my GMC not starting. So I have these GMC. It's 2012. It has about 145,000 miles. I haven't been driving it for a while, and not yesterday, but the day before yesterday when I tried to start the vehicle, it cranked a little bit. It's about to turn, but it never did. And I even have my uncle help me jump start it. First we jump started with the Corolla, and we're thinking, you know what, maybe the crank power, it's like 500 cc, and this one like what, 650 or something, 700 or something, and it's not enough. So we got his truck to jump start it as well, because his truck, the cranking power is like 700. However, when we tried to jump start it, even with the truck, he was roughing it and I was trying to crank it. It tried to turn over, but it never did. And in the end, I called AAA, and the guy came over, and he has his portable power device, and he tried to jump start it, and he couldn't jump start it. And he got out his bigger one, the one that, you know, professional, I guess, and he tried to jump start it as well, and he couldn't. And finally, before that, he got a tester and he tested it, but he still tried to do the jump start, and he was just saying your battery is really bad. And so he ended up replacing the battery. A total $208 for it, and he did the whole thing. He took it out, he replaced it, put the new one in, and I think overall that's not bad at all, because I did check on, I tried to call Walmart, AutoZone, but it was, I think, on Christmas Day or something, so it was nobody was open, so I ended up having to call on AAA, and AAA did come and waited for about 30 minutes, and it took him about 20 minutes just to do all the power shooting and to the replacement for $208, which is not bad at all. And for me, because I did check online too, on Amazon is about $186 or to $200, depending on the buyers or the seller that's selling it. So $208, that's totally not bad at all. And I've been with AAA for forever. I think for 19 years. And I'm continuing to pay it, but I hardly use AAA at all. Like maybe once every 2 years. I think the last time I remember using it, I don't know when. But yeah, so paying for AAA, it's like for a peace of mind. You know, you never know when you're gonna need it. But I just want to show you where the battery is for this one. So the battery is kind of funny for the Acadia, and I think it goes the same for the Traverse and maybe the Enclave or something like that. Instead of in the front like usual, it's back here. So you would have just to loosen this, and then just loosen that bolt, and underneath that cover, that's the way the battery is. Really weird, but yeah. So first I didn't know where it was, but you know, after there, that's where it is. So, and again, I'm not trying to promote AAA or advertise for AAA. I just want to share my experience with you guys. So if you ended up, or if you're having a GMC Acadia 2012 SLT1, whatever, and if for some reason, if you haven't been driven it after a certain time, you know, or maybe it just happened, the battery died out and it tried to crank, and after you tried to do all the jump start and it wouldn't start, most likely it's the battery. And and that's how much it cost me, $208.95, I think. And AAA do take credit cards as well too. But in all, it was a good experience. If you guys you know, have any questions, feel free to leave them a comment below. But take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.